You are going to love the 2023 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, braking assist, battery saver, front stabilizer bar, traction control, adaptive cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used program. It's the smart choice.